Python has several built-in functions associated with string data type. These functions let us modify and manipulate strings. We can think of functions as being actions that we perform on elements of our code. One of the built-in functions that we can use is to make strings upper or lowercase. So what we can do is we can simply write string upper, which means take this string and make it all uppercase. Let's now see how this works. You can see when we run the program, it has converted everything to uppercase. If we convert upper to lower and we run this again, you can now see that everything has now been converted to lowercase. Python has some string methods that will evaluate to a Boolean value. That means it will either come out as true or false. These methods are useful when we are creating forms for users to fill in. For example, if you want them to fill in their postcode, we only want to accept numerical strings. But if we ask them for their name, we only want alphabet strings. If we have a look at these two lines, the first is print number, which is the digit 5, and is numeric. And is numeric means the string consists of only numeric characters. And we would kind of hope that this would come out as true. Print letters is numeric, well, that's the same thing, but these letters are definitely not numeric, so it should come out as false. Let's run this quickly. As we'd hoped, the numbers has come out as true, but the letters are not numeric and those have come out as false. What we can also do is we can have a look at a string's alphabet character and we can decide whether those are uppercase, lowercase or title case. If we look at these first three lines, I have a movie, which is in uppercase, I have a book, which is in title case, and I have a poem, which is in lowercase. If I now write a couple of little things down, we can now say, is the movie lower? And let's run this and let's see what results we get. The first line, print movie is lowercase, the answer is false. Print movie is upper, which becomes true it is. The book is in title case, and there it is, says true. The other one will be false. And lastly, the poem is all in lowercase, and the other one is false as well. If we have a look at this, we've used some of these methods or some of these functions already. So for example, we have used is lower, is numeric, is title. But there are a couple of others as well. For example, is all numeric means that only alphanumeric characters in the entire string, and there's absolutely no symbols. The same is true for is alpha, and we've also got is space, so that consists of only white space characters, i.e. there's nothing actually in it. Using these different functions allows us to standardize the data that we collect by checking and then modifying the strings as we need. Boolean string methods are also useful when we want to check whether something a user enters fits within a given parameter.